For 50 years, the beauty and wellness industries sold the public a fabrication. They promised that if you bought enough anti-aging peels and cosmetic surgery, you could freeze the clock and stop time from degrading your body. When creams failed, they pushed broad-spectrum supplements, bottles of generic vitamin E and antioxidants, hoping to magically patch up a mechanical breakdown they didn't really understand. The medical consensus in 2026 has completely abandoned that approach. You cannot stop time, but science has proven that you can dramatically extend your health span by actively taking out your biological trash. Reaching 120 healthy years requires letting go of the obsession with preserving youth. It requires deploying a highly precise internal cleanup crew to scrub the cellular engine clean. To understand why, we have to look at how cells normally fail. When a healthy cell sustains heavy damage, it initiates apoptosis, a quiet, orderly form of cellular suicide, where it packs up its parts for the body to safely recycle. But severe stress causes some cells to panic. Instead of dying, a damaged cell pulls the emergency brake and enters a state called senescence. It mutates into a bloated, undead zombie cell that refuses to divide, yet remains highly metabolically active. These zombie cells suffer from an aggressive case of cellular FOMO. They don't want to suffer alone, so they actively begin poisoning the healthy tissue surrounding them. They begin secreting a toxic chemical cocktail called SASP. This violent spray of pro-inflammatory proteins sparks chronic, low-grade fires throughout your entire body, a condition scientists call inflammaging. Osteoarthritis, Alzheimer's, frailty. These aren't inevitable, abstract consequences of time. They are the direct, mechanical result of this cascading toxic trash pile eventually overloading your immune system. The solution isn't vitamins, it's Senolytics. These are highly targeted molecular missiles designed specifically to force those stubborn zombie cells to finish the job and self-destruct, while leaving your healthy neighboring cells completely untouched. This clinical table details the exact compounds and current trial focuses, driving a multi-billion-dollar medical reality in 2026. With over 45 active human trials in motion, we have moved past theoretical mouse models and into direct human application. Take the D plus Q combo, dasatinib paired with quercetin. Zombie cells survive by hijacking the BCL2 anti-apoptotic pathway, using it as an energy shield to deflect death signals. D plus Q rips away that molecular shield. Stripped of defenses, the zombie cell implodes. Surrounding healthy cells remain untouched. Blindly guessing with antioxidants is a thing of the past. Medicine is now executing precision biochemical assassinations at the microscopic level. Biotech pioneers are already running phase 2 trials, injecting these localized senolytics directly inside the human eye. Their objective? Reverse age-related vision loss by selectively clearing out accumulated zombie cells. They're essentially scrubbing the cellular windshield clean from the inside. We are proving that curing physical degradation doesn't require replacing an entire aging organ. You simply have to remove the microscopic debris blocking its function. But hyper-optimized online biohackers are currently ignoring a massive blind spot. If you were to blindly nuke 100% of the zombie cells in your body, you would die. Evolution doesn't make mistakes of this magnitude. Senescence is actually a foundational, non-negotiable emergency survival mechanism. When you get a deep physical cut, the cells at the wound edge intentionally turn senescent. They act as rapid, temporary scaffolding, using their inflammatory SASP cocktail to literally scream for the immune system to rush in and heal the tissue. Senescence serves a second vital function. It is the body's ultimate emergency brake against runaway cancer, stopping early-stage tumors from replicating before they can spread. Achieving a 120-year health span is a biological tightrope walk. To live longer, we are fighting the very mechanism that protects us from immediate death. This chart illustrates how researchers solve the paradox. The strategy is intermittent clearance. Instead of constant eradication, scientists use targeted senolytic pulses. Notice the steadily declining systemic toxic load. Hitting the body every few months clears accumulated rust without disabling the body's emergency scaffolding. You don't need a multi-million-dollar pharmaceutical prescription to start this process today. Your body possesses a built-in cellular disposal system called autophagy. You can actively trigger autophagy right now to clear cellular debris through structured deep caloric restriction, natural xenomorphic compounds like phycetin, and high-intensity interval training. The era of painting over the rust is dead. Welcome to the future of active, intelligent, biological deep cleaning.